Welcome to an e-demo on centralized licensing for Victor and VideoEdge. Centralized licensing allows us to manage our licenses for Victor and all of our VideoEdge recorders in one centralized place on the Victor application server. We've already registered our products on the AmericanDynamics.net website and we have received our license file by email. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that license file, and to do that I'm going to open up the license manager from this icon on the desktop, and I'm going to choose the Add New License button there. I'm going to navigate to the license file and I'm going to choose Open, and you can see we're going to get a message that prompts us to have our services restarted. So I'm going to choose OK, and those services will be restarted. Once the restart is complete, you'll see the license types section at the top here has centralized licensing enabled. If I move over to the VideoEdge tab, I'm just going to choose the refresh button at the bottom here. And we're going to get all of the information about all of the components which are included in our centralized VideoEdge license. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to move over to my VideoEdge and I need to point it at the Victor application server for its license. So I'm just going to sign in as an admin user. This VideoEdge is currently running a temporary license, so I'm immediately taken to the licensing page and I'm getting the prompt that I'm using the trial license still. I'm just going to choose OK. I'm going to choose the centralized license radio button there, and now what I need to do is enter the IP address here of the Victor application server which has that license file applied. I can also enter the port number there, and I also have the option of entering email recipients to receive warnings and prompts about centralized licenses. I'm just going to leave those as they are and choose Activate Centralized Licensing. And you'll see I have a green message here to say that we are now in centralized licensing mode, and up at the top we have all of our license status, so we can see the amount of devices which we have and those which are currently being used and those which are available. The other place where I can check on my license status is from Victor Unified Client. If I move up to the Setup tab, I'm going to choose the licensing button, and you'll see that I get all of the information on all of my video edges, so how many I have and what licenses they are using. And then I also have a breakdown underneath of that per recorder.